Create a new file with following settings. Open your image, remove the background, choose Move tool and drag and drop it to main document. Create a gradient adjustment layer. Apply the following settings. Create a new layer and choose a soft round brush. Change brush shape, then add shadows. Select these layers, press Ctrl G to group. Duplicate the group, right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Hide the top layer for now.
Choose Type tool and type your favorite letter. Unhide top layer and clip mask to text layer. Go to Filter menu, Blur, Gaussian blur. I will add 46 pixels. Select text layer, choose stroke. Open the group. Right-click on thumbnail of this layer and choose Select Pixels. Go to Select menu, modify, expand 50% pixels, good for this image, and click OK. Go to Select menu again, modify smooth. Create a new layer. Choose Pencil tool and follow the steps. Choose one of selection tools, right-click and choose Stroke. I will add 9 pixels for stroke width. Choose white color and click OK. Click on mask icon. Choose brush and follow the process.